Have you ever looked at a blank PowerPoint slide and felt totally uninspired? What if I told you that with a just few shapes and one powerful color, you could create a clean, modern, and professional presentation that looks like it came from a high end design studio? Today, I will show you exactly how to unlock the power of minimalist geometric design using Ivory Black all inside PowerPoint. No plugins, no Photoshop, just shape, balance, and a little creativity. Let's begin. First, right click on the slide and choose Format Background. Under Color, pick a soft off-white or beige to make Ivory Black stand out more. This gives your presentation a clean and elegant canvas. Now, choose the triangle, drag it onto the slide, and set Shape Outline to No Line. Set Shape Fill to your chosen black tone. With the triangle selected, go to Align, Align Left, then Align Top. Next, go to Rotate, select Rotate Right 90 degree. Duplicate this triangle. Now, align right, then align bottom. Go to rotate again and this time choose flip vertical and flip horizontal to perfectly mirror the original. Add a donut shape and remove the outline. Fill it with this color. Insert a rectangle shape, place it over the donut. Then select both. Go to merge shape, subtract to cut a clean chunk out of the donut creating a modern C shape. Insert oval shape, change its fill color and remove the outline. Duplicate it 2 more times so you have 3 ovals. Select all 3. Then go to Align, distribute vertically to space them evenly. Group these ovals and place them on the bottom left side of the slide. Now place the C-shaped donut beside them. Then group both together. Duplicate that group and move it to the top of the slide for balance. Insert text box and type research. Center it, increase the size. Duplicate the text box, change the text box to project. Then duplicate once more. Reduce the font size, type your name. This completes your title slide. Duplicate the slide, delete this all. Move the group shape to the top right side of the slide. Select text box and type overview. Now insert a rounded rectangle. Change its fill color and increase transparency by shape effect. Inside the rectangle, add your overview item, abstract, introduction, problem, objectives, methodology, result, conclusion, references. Duplicate this slide. Replace overview with abstract. Update the group shape layout. And add your abstract information. Repeat this process to create your next 10 slides. Introduction, problem, objectives, and so on, using the same design layout for consistency. And there you have it, a stunning modern presentation built with just a few simple shapes and one bold color. You have learned how to build layouts, merge shape and master alignment. Want the editable file? It's link in the description below. Try this technique with different colors and layouts to create your own signature look. If you enjoy this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe to Aksharika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint content just like this. Got a favorite color you want me to design with next? Drop it in the comments. I would love to turn your idea into a future video.